How to withdraw money from Prizepicks. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to withdraw your money from your Prizepicks account. So for that, all you have to do is just open your Prizepicks account, and after that just log into your account if you already have an account. In order to withdraw your money, you need to make sure that you have some amount or some deposit in your account already. So first of all you need to do is just log into your account, and then navigate to the settings and view all options. Once you have managed that, simply click on request withdrawal and enter the amount you want to take out and means of receiving it, and it would look somewhat like this. So just click on that. So if you are a new user or new customer using Prizepicks, so make sure that you do not opt for instant withdrawal, because Prizepicks might take a few business days or a few hours, like from 6 to 12 hours, to review your request for security reasons. So once your withdrawal is approved, you have two different choices to get your money out. Either you can do instant bank transfer or you can withdraw through card withdrawal. So this is how you will be able to withdraw money from your Prizepicks. And if you still have some queries or something that is bothering you regarding withdrawing your money from Prizepicks, you can go ahead and contact the Prizepicks support system, and the Prizepicks support team or the customer support will reach out to you and help you with your issues. So this is basically how you will be able to withdraw your money from your Prizepicks. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.